So, good afternoon, students. Yesterday we discussed with the what are the business dealings or what are the terms with regard to this accounting, like business transaction, capital, liability, different types of assets like that, then drawings, then debtors, creditors, net worth, like that, and also what is a single entry system and what is a double entry system. So the both the aspects are recorded, that is the double entry system. So today we are going to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the double entry system and some more topics also. So we will go to that. So advantages of a double entry system. So the main advantages are both the debit and credit aspects of all the business transactions are recorded in the books of account. That is the double entry. Means there should be a debit aspect, then corresponding credit also should be there. So both the aspects need to record it. So that is the case. Both the debit and credit aspects of all the business transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. Number two, arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts can be checked through the preparation of trial balance. So those non-commerce students, what is a trial balance in the sense means the balances of the ledger accounts that is to be written, or so that is to be prepared. That is the trial balance. Balances of the ledger accounts. That is trial balance. So the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts can be checked through preparation of trial balance. So trial balance in the preparation of kuti, arithmetical accuracy, the correctness, up to what extent that thing is correct or not. That is the case. So arithmetical accuracy of the ledger accounts can be checked through the preparation of trial balance. Then the result of operation of a firm, either the profit or loss, can be ascertained through the preparation of income statement. So trial balance need to prepare, then income statement also need to prepare. So that is results of the operation of a firm, that is the profit or loss, can be ascertained through preparation of income statement, and the financial position of a firm in terms of the assets, the liabilities, and the capital can be ascertained through the preparation of balance sheet. So, what all things are there? Arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts will be from trial balance. The results of the operation of a firm, either the profit or loss, that can be ascertained through the preparation of income statement, and what is for the balance sheet, whether the financial position of the firm is strong or weak. That is why we need to specify the assets as well as the liability and also the capital, so that we can ascertain what the financial position. Then another point is it reduces the chances of committing the errors and frauds, because errors, frauds ഒക്കെ ഒരു പരിധി വരെ കുറയ്ക്കാൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ reduce ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പറ്റുന്നു. And also a complete record of the amount due from various debtors and amount due to various creditors is maintained. ആർക്കൊക്കെ പൈസ കൊടുക്കാനുണ്ട്, ആർക്കൊക്കെ ആരിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ കിട്ടാനുണ്ട്, complete list should be prepared based on the double entry. So these are the advantages with regard to a double entry system. Why? What are the disadvantages? It is expensive and time consuming. സമയം എടുക്കുന്നതാണ് എന്നാണ്. എന്തുകൊണ്ട്? ബിക്കോസ് ജേർണലിൽ നിന്ന് ലെഡ്ജർ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് ട്രയൽ ബാലൻസ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് then trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. It is a tedious task and also expensive. Small firms cannot afford that one. So without a financial statement, a firm is not a firm at all. അതാണ്. അതില്ലെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് അത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്, അല്ലെ എത്ര പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, അല്ലെ എത്ര ലോസ് ഉണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്? So that is the case. It is expensive and time consuming, and a number of books of accounts can be maintained. ഓരോ ട്രാൻസാക്ഷനും എത്ര വരുന്നുണ്ട് അതിനെല്ലാം എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ബുക്സ് ഓഫ് അക്കൗണ്ട്സ്. ഇപ്പം പർച്ചേസ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ലെറ്റർ ടു ക്യാഷ്, അതുപോലെ പല ഇത് എക്സാമ്പിൾ. ഇതേ രീതിയിൽ എന്തെല്ലാം അക്കൗണ്ടോ എന്തെല്ലാം ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻ വരുന്നു ആ ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻസിനെല്ലാം what need to be prepared? Accounts. So number of books of accounts to be maintained. So these are the disadvantage or demerits with regard to which one? Accounting or double entry system. So we will continue with that. So in continuation with that, what are the bases of accounting? So two methods are there, or two bases are there. One is cash basis of accounting and another one is mercantile or accrual basis of accounting. So what is that? We need to see that one. So either one question will ask from this section, cash basis of accounting or mercantile or accrual basis of accounting. So what is that? Cash basis. A base of accounting in which accounting entries for all the business transactions of an organization during an accounting year are made only on receipt or payment of cash. Cash സംബന്ധമായ receipt payment coming and going of cash. അതിനെ പറ്റിയുള്ള അതിന്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് with regard to the receipt and payment of cash, that is each and every transaction need to enter into that base of accounting is called cash base of accounting. No entry is made when a receipt or payment is due. Government system of accounting is on cash system. അതായത് cash base ആണ്. എല്ലാത്തിനും ക്യാഷിന്റെ ഇതിലാണ്. So, mercantile or accrual basis means what? Is a base of accounting in which accounting entries for all the business transactions of an organization during an accounting year are made as and when the transactions are occurred irrespective of the receipt or payment of cash. So either the receipt or payment of cash is not there, then also the transactions are going to take place. That is called mercantile or accrual basis of accounting. All transactions occurred in the organization during an accounting period are recorded whether the receipt or payment of cash has been made or not. Either the cash receipt are there, cash payment are there, or no, then also transactions have to be recorded. That is the case with regard to accrual or mercantile basis of accounting. So clear? Wherever the cash receipt and payment is there, that only is recorded. That is the case with regard to cash basis of accounting. Why? Even though there is cash receipt or payment or no to be maintained, each and every transaction need to record. That is the case with regard to mercantile or which one? Mercantile or accrual basis of accounting. Then what is an account? Next is account. It is a classified record of the financial transaction of an organization. It is a classified record of the financial transaction of an organization, as it is the summary of all the transactions that relates to a person, asset, expense or income that taken place during a given period, showing their net effect. So that is the case. It is a summary of all the transactions that relates to a person, asset, expense or income that taken place during a given period, showing their net effect. So that is an account. Therefore, it is a summary of the business transaction of a particular type. So it is a summary of the business transaction of a particular type. Then types of accounts are there. The rest and one more thing. Accounts has two sides. See, this is the form of an account. So T form account. Okay, an account has two sides. The left hand side is called the debit side and the right hand side is called the credit side. അതാണ് നോക്കേണ്ടത്. Entering a transaction on the left hand side of an account is termed as debiting and this is crediting. So on the left hand side it is debiting and on the right hand side it is crediting. So entering a transaction on the right hand side or right side of an account is called crediting an account. So these are the things with regard to account. So or what is an account? Then so types of accounts are personal account, means relating to person. Next one, real account, relating to assets. And number 3, nominal account, relating to expenses or income. So that is the 3 cases: personal account, real account and nominal account. So what is a personal account? It relates to several persons, me, you people, everything like Arpit, Anish, then Aishwarya, Aparna, like that. So that is personal account. Jerry, Krishnadas, Arati. So whatever be, though, whatever having the account in his person's name, in the person's name, it is personal account. Accounts relating to assets, that is the real account. And accounts relating to expenses or income, that is the nominal account. So keep it in mind, these three, very important. Then, accounts representing a person or a firms are called personal account. Accounts representing person or firms are called personal account. A person may be a natural person, artificial person, or a representative person. So maybe natural ആകാം, artificial ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെടുത്തതാകാം, അല്ലെ ആരെയെങ്കിലും പ്രതിനിധീകരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. Human beings represents natural person. Example, for Mohan's account. So Mohan is the person's name. An entity created by law is called an artificial person. For example, A and company. Okay, Suzuki and company. Isn't it? Maruti Suzuki Limited. Other account. So an account representing a person or a number of persons is called a representative personal account, like a outstanding salary, prepaid rent, capital, and drawings account. So that is the case. Account, personal account means what? Accounts or relating, or it relates to particular person's name. So that is the case, personal account. While accounts representing assets are called what? Real accounts. അസറ്റ് ആസ്തികളെ ബന്ധപ്പെടുത്തിയുള്ള അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് ആണ് what is that? Real accounts. And accounts of expenses, losses, incomes and gains are called nominal accounts. So example, salary, rent, commission received, etc. are comes under the which one? Nominal. അതായത് ചെലവുകളുടെയും വരുമാനത്തിന്റെയും അക്കൗണ്ട് ആണ് നോമിനൽ. ആസ്തികളെ റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അക്കൗണ്ട് ആണ് which one? Real. And persons related account ആണ് which one? Personal account. So that is the three cases: personal account, real account, and nominal account. So in a hurry, I am not going in fast also. So I'm going to wind up the session. So before that, just to have a look at this. See, real and nominal accounts are collectively called impersonal account. This personal account, this രണ്ടും എന്താണ്? Impersonal account. Our personal account എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ relating to person, real account എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ relating to asset, nominal account എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ relating to expenses or income. So see, accounts personal, real and nominal. So personal account may be natural person, artificial person, representative person. Real account may be based on the tangible asset and intangible asset, and nominal accounts expenses and losses and incomes and gains. So keep it in mind, three types of accounts we see: personal relating to person, real relating to assets, and nominal relating to incomes and expenditure or losses or gains, like that. So please, the rest part we will look at. Yes, that is rest of the part that we will look at later. So we see today what the advantages and disadvantages with regard to a double entry system, and also what is the basis of accounting, like cash basis means cash receipts and payments to be entered. That is the only one. While the other transactions are ignored, that is the case cash basis of accounting. While mercantile or accrual basis, even though there is cash receipt or no, cash receipts and payments or no, but all the transactions need to record it. That is the case with the accrual or mercantile basis of accounting. And then what is an account we see? That is financial transaction or classified record of the financial transaction of an organization. So summary of all the transactions that relates to a person, asset, expense or income that taken place during a given period, showing their net effect. So that is the account. Then types of accounts are personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account relates to person. Real account and the nominal account are impersonal because nothing related to person. Real account relates to assets account, maybe tangible or intangible asset, while nominal account relates to about the expenses and incomes or the gains or the losses with regard to the business. So with that, we come to the we can conclude this one or wind up the session. So please have a look at today's class, and please let me know if anybody having doubt with any of the topics, please clear with me. So thank you for the day.